What is going on, guys? I am Suburban Angling and I am out here doing some more ice fishing for you guys. Like I mentioned in my last video, if you haven't watched that, go watch that. But anyway, like I mentioned in my last video, the weather is finally back in our favor. We're out here, it's cold. I don't know if you can see my breath, it's kind of light outside, but we got some hard water, some solid ice. So we're gonna get out there, set some tip-ups up, set the tent up, and just hope we can get a bag for you guys, because I went fishing the other day, recorded a whole intro, got B-roll, everything, and let's just say we did not get a bag. So today, that needs to change. Wish me luck. Let's go catch some fish. It's pretty windy, so this is gonna be a test how good these tip-ups are. Oh yeah, that minnow is going nuts. So we're gonna suspend this minnow. Oh, they're setting up shags. Heck yeah. Oh, something's coming up to my minnow right now. Something's coming up to the minnow right now. I think it just ate it. I got it on the fall. Oh my god. Dude, did you guys see that? I literally dropped the minnow down and got ate on the fall by this crappie. I just watched him come up on the graph and smoke the little minnow. That was awesome. Look at the trail of them leaving on the, you can see them right there. Oh my god, that was sick. All right, well, first fish of the day, we got a little crappie. I didn't even have to set the tip up yet, dude. Awesome. I'll let him go. Dude, this place is awesome. So, we're gonna jig this hole. There's something down there. Oh, there's something above me. He's shooting up. Got him. Oh my god, it's another crappie, folks. We found the crappies, dude. Let's go. He destroyed that little tungsten. Shot right up to it. I literally saw, oh, there's something above me. Boom, crappie. Like 8 foot of water, 9 foot of water on that little green. It's like kind of like a Wonder Bread, but it's green. That's a nice crappie. That's almost an eater right there. About a 9-incher, dude. Heck yeah. Trying to make sure I got him at all angles. Drop him right back in the hole. Dude, that was sick. Looks like there's something lurking. Come on. Nice crappie, dude. Oh my god, he came out of nowhere and hit it when it was suspended. Let's go. It's a nice crappie right there. Look at that. Another, you know, 7-8 inch crappie right there. They're thick though, they got backs on them, they're healthy, they're just not giants, but dude, 3 crappie in a row? Okay. Just throw him back. Oh god, what? Are you kidding me right now? There's fish on the graph. And I got the tungsten stuck to me. Alright, this is a joke. There's a giant fish on the graph. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Tiny little hook got stuck. Okay, it's out, it's out. Maybe I can catch them, maybe I can catch them. Be quiet, I gotta be quiet. They left. They left. Let's see if they'll come back. Let's see if they'll come back. It was 2 big ass marks, dude. Oh, here it comes, here he comes. Come on. Another crappie, dude. Oh my god. Let's go, he's a little one. But all right, guys. Let's drop down on him. We're dropping down on him. Let's see. Let's see what they're doing. They're coming up. He's flying up to it. Boom. Boom. Okay. Mystery solved. Oh, there's a big mark. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. I'm dropping down to him. Huge mark. Here he comes. Got him. Okay, that's a bluegill. Man, there's gotta be more than just these bluegills. Look, there's another one right down there. There he is. Here he comes up. He just hit it. That's a bigger bluegill. Oh my god. We're on the school right now. That's 2 bluegill under my seat. Got one in my hand. I'm gonna need that spike back, buddy. See me pull out of his mouth? Look, we got another one on the screen. Another huge mark on the screen. Let's see if we can get him on the ice. Here he comes. Boom. Oh, they hit it and I let him get off. There's a whole school of them, dude. Got him. Oh my god, it's an even bigger bluegill. Dude, we got a bunch of them under us right now. I'm just throwing them on the ice so I don't scare the school. Dude, there's like 100 fish under us right now. Oh my god. They're just all down there. Here they come. Got one. Oh, he just got off. No. There's a bunch of them. Oh, he just crushed it. He's still there. He's, dude. Boom, right under the ice. Literally 2 feet under the ice, the fish just hit it. Guys, I'm turned up right now. Let's see how many we can get. This is the last one I'm gonna catch and I'm gonna let him go. On. Oh my god. This is the smallest one of the bunch. We're on fire. We're on fire. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can't catch one more. One more. No bait. This is just the tungsten. Let's see. One just came down to it. He's on it right now. He's already on. Oh my god. I just caught this one with no bait. And this, look at the shoulders on him. They're fired up. All right, let me show you guys the damage we just did, because I don't know if you guys understand what we just did. Look at all these bluegills. Look at all these bluegills. Oh my god. We're stacked on them right now. All right, wind's coming in. Look at them. Slabs too. These are slabs, dude. All right, let's throw them back. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, 7 bluegills I just caught in the last freaking like 45 seconds. We're on fire right now. All right, we got it. Got mayonnaise. I'll lay it on there, folks. Get yourself right with that mayo mustard turkey sandwich. Boom. All right. Bon appetit. Uh-oh. We just had a flag pop, and it's a minnow flag. And it's a minnow flag. Oh god, he's on there. He's on there. He just pulled hella line. Ready? It's a big crappie. Let's go. There we go. Nice little eater crappie right there. Hit the minnow flag. He was ripping line. Sick. Oh yeah, check that out. That's an 11-inch crappie. Uh-oh. Reset that. Yeah, rough measurement. That thing is about 11 inches. One last look at him. All right, let's put him back in there. He gone. Hey, I got a flag, guys. What the heck? Is there actually a fish on that? Or did it just get blown in the wind so much that it finally... Because this flag has been sitting there for so long, and like, you know, the tip up, the trigger will get turned sideways slowly and little by little and little by little, and then eventually it's like the flag will pop. Usually these are really good at not being a false flag, but I don't know. Oh, there he goes. There we go. It's a walleye! Dude, I got a walleye! Bro, I just got a walleye. I did not even know they were in this lake. See, he sat there with it in his mouth forever. That's an eater. That's an eater. Guys, this flag just popped off. It spun a couple times. Same, oh, there you go, he's on there. You see him? Same flag as that walleye. Let's see if there's another walleye. It's big, whatever it is. Nice bass. Nice bass. Nice. How about that? This flag didn't get touched all day, and now we got fish coming in deep off those weeds. Nice large. Look at where he's hooked too. Look at that perfect hook set right on his nose. Look at those red lips. Put this minnow tip up. Just set this one up like 15 minutes ago. Boom. Largemouth on the fathead minnow. Nice little 1.5 pound largemouth. Sick. That's cool. Awesome. We had to get a bass today to complete the trifecta. We got crappie, bluegill, bass, walleye. Let's get a pike. Maybe. Maybe it doesn't break me off. Healthy little bass. Get in there. Sick.